First, you're going to receive a link. You'll want to paste that into any browser. Once you arrive, you're going to want to draw your attention to a few different things. First, we're going to take a look at desktop view versus mobile view. This is what it's going to look like on your mobile phone minus the length of this phone. It's going to be slightly smaller using your own cell phone. Then you're going to want to take a look at add comments right over here. From here, you want to add your name. So in this case, we'll say Logan. Drag this little icon over to where you want to give feedback. Type in your comment. Once you're done with your comment, we'll want to make sure we do drag it to the right place. Click post. Now let's try on the mobile view. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing we did on the desktop. Once we're done with our comment, we're going to post. And again, we're going to make sure that this is relevant to where you want to add the feedback. And that's that. We'll receive your feedback and go ahead and make the adjustments as necessary.